No, no, no. It is bound to reach that level when you will be required to lay down their lives in the battlefield. If you don't do it, don't hope for salvation. If you do it, then Allah will forgive you and make you enter paradise. And if you are not doing it, then kabura maqtan indallahi an taqulu ma la taf'alun. Then stop saying that you are mu'min. Stop saying that you believe in Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Don't say you believe in Allah and His Messenger. Otherwise, saying something else and doing something else, it is not giving you any credit. It is adding to the discredit every time. Now the question arises, where from to get those people who will do this jihad in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? First of all, there should be